Madali lang gawin. So, as of the moment, meron tayong tatlong module. I'm just going to hide this. Yan. We have text to image here. We have text effects and recolor vectors. This is just new. Nakarating lang nito around like 4 days ago. But let's go here sa text effects. Let's click on generate. And when I click on that, this will give you the option to create like text effects. For example, something like this. Kunyari, gawa ko dito ng, I'm just going to choose a template, or you can definitely create a description of this. For example, let's say I want to tap in water. For example, gagawa ko dito ng, ng text description ng water. Ay, napaka-lame naman yung gagawin kong water. Ocean, for example, ocean. Pero ang lalagay ko na, i-describe ko yung text effect with water or dolphins or sharks. Pwede kong ilagay yan. Ang text na gagamitin natin would be water, sharks, dolphins, and even seahorses. Diba? Seahorse. Seahorse. If I can spell right, seahorse. Ayan. Okay. So click ko in generate. By clicking on that, you would see that bumasok tayo sa loob ng text effects, and this will generate you something like this. Diba? Imagine, if you're going to do this on Photoshop, this will take you a lot of time. Agree? Paki-comment nga po, agree kung talagang, or kung nagustuhan nyo to, wow, paki-comment. Diba? I would challenge anyone. Gawin nyo siya sa Photoshop. I'll give you like 5 seconds to do this. Hindi nyo siya magagawa. Kahit ako, hindi ko siya magagawa. Okay? And for example, we have lots of sample effects here. Pakita nyo sa gilid, meron tayong mga flowers, snakes. We can use flowers here. For example, we want to change that. Pwede natin baguhin agad. Diba? I-click on that, automatic. Flowers na yung nakalagay dyan. We can definitely change this. For example, we're going to create like Maap, for example, with the permission of Maap. We're going to create something like this. Let's say computers, design, laptop, okay, colors. Diba? Kunyari, gagawa tayo ng, ng text effect for Maap. Yan, hintay lang natin. So this is using Adobe Firefly, Adobe Sensei, and as you would see, ito yung na-create niya na design, and you can definitely like create more variations of this just using the following prompts and the following options, variations, and you would see kayang-kaya nyo siyang i-download agad. So click natin to, and ito yung importante dito. This is something that is very unique when implemented by Adobe. Sabi dito, we're promoting transparency in AI. Ito ang hindi ginagawa ng ibang mga AI generation tools. Because dito, lahat ng ginagawa mo in Firefly, you are saying that this is created by AI and I do not own this design. Diba? This is an initiative, ang tawag nila dito is the Content, kalimutan ko yung CIA. Content Initiative, kalimutan ko yung A. So for example, yon. This is an initiative na ginawa nila to determine and to also parang i-license sila. Sabi nga, Content Credential Initiative. Nakalagay dyan. Diba? And lahat ng ginagawa nyo dito is watermark or tagged by this. For example, if I click on continue, if I click on that, this will already download the content that we have. Diba? Yan. So at this stage, I'm just going to like open this on my browser. Yan. Kita nyo, diba? This is watermark. Kita nyo sa gilid. Ito. Yung makalagay dyan. Oh. This is made by Adobe Firefly. Image is not for commercial use. So hindi pa siya available for commercial use because we want to protect the creators of the following data na nilagay dito sa sa training sets nito, 'di ba? And later on, sabi ni Adobe, they're going to have like an initiative for incentivizing those people na nagbibigay ng ng content. For example, ako gumawa ako ng illustration, pwede kong ibenta sa Adobe Stock, and then I will be given like the commission for all of the work that I've done. So ganun nila ginagawa. Lahat ng nakikita nyong data dito, lahat ng images, lahat to binayaran nila. Okay, binayaran nila to lahat. Hindi katulad ng iba na parang kinukuha lang nila, dina-download lang nila sa Google, tapos they train the data from the AI o the anong eksaktong term, ayoko na sabihin masyadong technical. Yon, with compromising the integrity, the morals of the organization or the copyright of the people that using the training set or the visuals. Yun ang iniba nila dito. Okay? And then on the next thing is that you can definitely like fine tune this. Let's say for example, if you want this to be very tight, implementation niya, you can do that. Or if you want, you can make it very loose. Pag click natin yung very loose, magkakaroon tayo ng mga swirls or mga other elements na nag-extend. Ayan, nakita nyo? Ito, meron siyang meron siyang nag-extend dito. Ayan, nakita nyo dyan. Ayan. So, ang kagandahan din dito is that this is a learning environment on which you can submit like this one works. Like, let's click on that thumbs up. Tell us more. For example, the prompt has accurately interpreted this. It has provided high quality output. It's great for inspiration. It exceeds my expectation. It's impressive. So let's say natin, good job on this generation. Diba? Let's click and submit feedback. Diba? Ganun kadali. You're also helping the AI to be very responsive and very intelligent on using this. Diba? And a lot of this is also using the sample effects. Ang dami silang sample effects dito, like so many things. Ito lang yung sample, pero you can definitely like create your own. Okay? Sige. I'm just going to be to give you some time to absorb this kasi baka biglang wow moment. Okay? So I'm going to open some for some questions. Sige po, baka may mga questions kayo dyan. Reactions like wow, this is good or anything. Inom lang ako ng tubig. Okay? Ayan, amazing. Thank you. And I want you to also play the devil's advocate. So, kung nakita niyo siya na na paano ba kung gagawin kung ganito, ganyan, feel free. Question niyo po. Actually, mas gusto ko yung yung mga questions. So, to lang, mas gusto ko yung questions na hindi ko masasagot. Kasi it makes me learn more. Actually, mas gusto ko nga talaga yung hindi ko masasagot. Gusto ko yung mahirap na questions kasi napapaisip ako at saka nasabi ko, I haven't thought of that. Okay? So that is TextFX, and you can definitely like choose a background for this. For example, gawin natin ang background natin is white, 'di ba? Pwede natin gawin 'yan, or black, or like this neon green, yellow, pink, red, violet, or whatever color you want. Or you can definitely like choose a white one and then use another color like black. And also this will generate you another set of designs that is based from your prompt. Ayan, nakita nyo, wow, kulay itim na yung ang galing. Actually, gustong-gusto ko i-download to. Download ko na nga to. Kasi natuwa ako eh. Talagang natuwa eh, no? Ito, normal sa akin to. Parang kahit, natutuwa ako. Ayan. Di ba? Kunyari gusto natin siyang gawing like, ano mang official color ng map. It's blue, di ba? Dark. Parang dark blue ba? O blue lang. Yan, tingnan natin. Blue. Ano kaya maging itsura nito? Dito, may nagkaroon siya ng blue, oh. Tapos magkaroon tayo ng konting variation dito. And if you're good with prompts, parang programming ng konti, meron kayong mga pwedeng matutunan dito na na kakaiba. I have like a cheat sheet of prompts that I've been developing myself for this type of reason. And baka sabihin nyo, pwede ba ako magbago ng font? Yes, pwede kayo magbago ng font as you would see here. We have the following fonts. For example, Poplar. Pwede nyo baguhin yan. For example yan. Subukan natin tingnan nyo mabuti. Wow! Diba? Sample, let's make this like, medyo medyo tight. Gawin natin siyang tight. Diba? Parang gustong gawin na t-shirt agad. T-shirt na agad to, wow. Pero huwag nyo gagamitin to for commercial purposes Again, this is not for commercial purposes. Okay? So for example, download ko na siya. So continue. And then, I can definitely like submit this. If I click on this, I can submit this to the Firefly gallery para makapag-contribute kayo. For example, i-submit ko yan. All of this has been with content credentials. Kasama yung content credentials nyo. Click natin yung continue. And it was submitted to the gallery. Didiretso po yan sa mga product managers ng Firefly and they will curate them. Sabihin nila, this is good, this is not good. Sige, hindi natin ipopost yan. Okay? So that is text effects. So baka meron kayong mga naisip na magandang idagdag pa sa text effects. Diba? Ilagay nyo lang sa ating comment section. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung nakakita ko ng mga feedback na parang out of the box thinking. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko. Pwede ba ditong iba yung gamitin natin na font, 'di ba? Ako, iniisip ko rin 'yan, isa 'yan sa mga feedback ko. Pwede ba ako maglagay ng Adobe fonts dito, 'di ba? Or pwede ba akong maglagay dito ng drawing ng eksaktong kung saan mga ganon. Let's think outside of the box. Okay? So this is text effects. I'm going to move on to another module which is text to image. Gusto ko lang malaman kung okay sa inyo at meron kayong natutunan on this part of the session. Paki-comment nga po. Move on. kung meron kayong natutunan, move on. Ayan, move on.